today we're going to show you this baby toy. And it have a telephone. You could put the shape inside here. And there's a little house. You open it and look. This, you could pull it. And you take this out. And this dog is trying to catch it. And there's a little dog hidden in here. Little dog. Let's look at the next one. Let's try to put the puzzle inside, Ricany. Ricany, here. This one first. Good job. Next. And a circle. And a circle. Next, let's go on a telephone. And you press this, and then you just put a phone number. And are you calling to a boy? Here's a boy. I mean a girl. And then you take this out, and then you call. Hello? 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 Let's put some music on. And then now, here, this, you put it right here. And then you spin it around. And then this, you put it right here. There's not 6, there's just 2, I think. Let's go on the piano. And there's a drum. If you want to turn off, you just press like this. If you want to turn on. And here, look. Oh, there's a puzzle. And this is the only one that you can put up. So you put up here. The puzzle is solved. It's an elephant. And let's go for the numbers. Let's go for the numbers. Boom. Yeah, 1. That's the letter C. 2. B. That's B. 8. 1. 3. Yeah, 3 and 2. Good job. There's a handle too, here. A handle. Bye.